Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel again. In today's video, we'll see how to run HTML projects locally in your system. Now for this, you'll need Node.js installed in your machine. This video is about running projects locally on Mac machine. So you'll need to have Node.js installed, and once that is installed, you can check for the same if it is installed or not using the command node hyphen version. If it shows you the version, it means that Node.js is installed successfully. Now all you'll have to do is run this command called npm install http server -g. -g means this module will be installed globally in your machine. It takes very few seconds to install. Once that is done, navigate to the location where your project is. Mine is in a project called test tab, so I've already navigated there. So I'll run this command called http server, and that's it. I'll have to go to localhost 8080 in browser. It'll show me all the files that are in this particular folder, test tab in my case, and I have this sample trial.html file here which shows the test tab. It's a simple paragraph that I've added in this file, and that's it. It's that simple, you guys. I'll paste the commands in the description box below. I've only tried this for HTML projects, so you can try it in other projects and let me know if it works. That's it for now. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.